All right, this is our high frequency word lesson number 32. Let's read our first sentence. Ready? This key fits the lock. Our first high frequency word is the word key. A key is used to open things. Let's read our next sentence. Ready? They left the door open. Our next high frequency word is door. Let's read our last sentence. Ready? The pencil dropped on the floor. Our last high frequency word is floor. So we have floor and door. Good job. All right, let's start our words. Ready? Key. K-E-Y, key. Door. D-O-O-R, door. Floor. F-L-O-O-R, floor. Mrs., capital M-R-S, period, Mrs. Picture, P-I-C-T-U-R-E, picture. Built, B-U-I-L-T, built. Mrs., capital M-S, period, try that again for me. Ms., capital M-S, period, Ms. Whole, W-H-O-L-E, whole. Miss, capital M-I-S-S, miss. Mr., capital M-R, period, Mr. Piece, P-I-E-C-E, peace. Buy, B-U-Y, buy. E-Y-E-I. Month, M-O-N-T-H, month. Shoe, S-H-O-E, shoe. Whose, W-H-O-S-E, whose. Key, K-E-Y, key. Door, D-O-O-R, door. Money, M-O-N-E-Y, money. Hour, H-O-U-R, hour. Busy, B-U-S-Y, busy. Whose, W-H-O''S, whose. Guess, G-U-E-S-S, guess. Build, B-U-I-L-D, build. Floor, F-L-O-O-R, floor. Good job. Now, let's go ahead and spell some high frequency words. Our first high frequency word today is woman. So that's W-O-M-A-N. Trying to figure out how to do the N part. N. There. All right, our next word is women. Sorry, I wrote women. Now let's write woman. W O M A N. Now, women, hold on, women is one. Sorry, women is more than one, and woman is one. Our next word that we're going to write is kind. We have two ways to mean that. I could say, what kind do you mean? Or I could mean, you need to be kind, nice to your friends. Oh my goodness, sometimes this is not easy. So kind. There we go. And our very last word is very. V-E-R-Y is spells very. Excellent job on our high frequency words today.